Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of gluten-free delights with a product that's been making waves in the culinary scene. Whole Foods Market Cauliflower Gnocchi. If you're a fan of Italian cuisine but looking for a healthier alternative, you're in for a treat. This cauliflower gnocchi is not only gluten-free but also vegan, making it a versatile option for a wide range of dietary preferences. Now, what sets this cauliflower gnocchi apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk flavor and texture. Despite being made from cauliflower, these gnocchi maintain a deliciously satisfying taste and texture. They're light, fluffy, and when cooked just right, they develop a beautiful golden brown exterior while remaining soft on the inside. Speaking of cooking, preparation couldn't be easier. Simply sauté or boil these little pillows of goodness for a few minutes, and they're ready to be paired with your favorite sauce. Whether you prefer a light pomodoro or a zesty piccata, the shape and texture of these gnocchi are a perfect match. Now, let's talk nutrition. Each serving contains only 210 calories and is packed with 5 grams of protein, making it a satisfying option for any meal. Plus, with no added gluten or animal products, you can indulge without any guilt. So, if you're ready to elevate your pasta game with a healthier twist, look no further than Whole Foods Market Cauliflower Gnocchi. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, happy cooking!